The program is structured week by week, depending on the length of the program and what the person is working through. So the Genesis Guidebook is the totem. The Genesis Guidebook is the foundation of the entire program. And it walks us through step by step and what we need to work through, what we need to get clarity on, what we need to have conversations about to create a plan, a strategy, and habits for you to begin to live into the life that you want, for you to become the person that you want. So the guidebook is that totem. The guidebook is that foundation. And the guidebook is filled with worksheets, templates, step by step, to not only begin to have these conversations with yourself, to begin to understand yourself in a way that you didn't before. From there, together, we begin to create a new path forward for your life based on what it is that you want.